Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Ibrahim, back again with another great amazing Infinix S4 review. Not hands-on because I don't have the device here, but we're doing the review out of it. So I saw an advert from the video. Let us just check out that advert, how it looks. Kind of like this scene whereby he's taking a picture, which is something which is so great, taking that Ferrari. I guess this is a Ferrari, and there's a lot of camera options on that kind of S4 camera, which we can see there, which is quite impressive. Okay, it seems like the camera, the rear camera which we are seeing here is actually not a rear camera, but it's the camera which is at I think this is at the front, which they're showing us, but I don't think so, but it was at the back, definitely. Let us just go back again and play.
That's why.
Okay, sounds great.
You never know. It might just be the beginning of something great.
I'm seeing this way it's going on.
Infinix S4
Okay.
with a 32 megapixel AI selfie camera.
Okay, this camera bloopers. This smartphone actually, it has a 32 megapixel of camera. It's actually basically based on pictures. For some of you guys who are interested so much on getting those your smiley faces with the pictures, with the phones, with the selfie, you know what I'm saying. So another kind of stuff which we're going to see on the Infinix S4 is the specification. Now the specification of the Infinix S4 are as follows. Starting with the 6.2 inches, which means it's the display inch, which is quite not bad. It's quite great and amazing. I think it's my own kind of aspect. 6.2 inches quite great, and the resolution 720, which I was hoping it's 1080 somewhere. It's quite not bad, but I'm about to get that phone hands on it, so don't worry about that. So another kind of stuff is pixel density, which is 268 ppi, pixel per inch. I hope some of you guys know that. Another kind of stuff which is so great is the multi-touch support. So it supports multi-touch on the screen, which is something which is so great. It's not a new thing though, it's something which is there. So it has a GPU of Qualcomm Adreno, which is 308, which is quite great. Some of you guys know that, some of you guys not know that. It's not such a big deal. That's GPU for the graphics. So another kind of stuff is for RAM. RAM has a 3 GB to 4 GB to 6 GB. Now it depends with the storage there. So you buy perhaps a 6 GB, that means it might be having a 128 GB of storage, or perhaps it might be having 64 GB of storage. We have 32 GB and 64 GB, which is something which is so cool. Another kind of stuff right from me is the battery. The battery racks 4000 mAh battery, which it's not a bad thing. We're seeing from it right now is something which is actually there for the Infinix. They're improving their batteries, which I give it go, just like Techno, how they do it. So the only main thing is how does it perform? The performance, is it just amazing, or is it just giving us a fancy camera which we can play around with it, but the performance, it's very wacky. So I'm thinking that performance can be so improved. Really running away from the notch and going for the teardrop. I just found myself writing somewhere. So is Infinix just running away from the notch and leave that teardrop, or is Infinix just having a notch on other devices and having that teardrop? Because we have seen teardrop came with OnePlus, and not only OnePlus, and other variety of devices, they came with the teardrop. It's so amazing having this S4 with a teardrop, which means you have that kind of display environment, which is like a new style of a notch, but in a different kind of perspective. I think to my own kind of aspect is go, so I have nothing to complain over there on that kind of field, or that kind of area. So I hope some of you guys got that kind of features and understand that this is the Infinix S4 on the market, which is evolving right now. It's released on April 2019. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you love this video of today. If you're new here, my name is Abdurrahim12, and make sure that you hit the thumbs up. You're new here, make sure you subscribe. You're new here, make sure that you put the thumbs up. You're new here, turn on your bell notification. What if not? You already know, yo. So yeah, so I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and peace.